Okay. What is up, you guys? It looks really dark. I'm guessing by this life vest, y'all probably want to know what we're doing. That's scary. I'll talk to you in a minute. We're in CVS right now. I don't even know what I came in here for. You're looking for the clear bag that you could throw your stuff, like your phone into. But I don't think they got it, you guys.
Okay. We do have you, yes, but if you want to
already have, so no charge for that?
Yeah,
Cool, cool.
How are you?
Good,
I'm
how are
So today we're gonna be kayaking and paddleboarding. Something new. My phone, speaker, and that's just the cameras. That's it. I'm good with these. Let's go.
You folks just keep following me a little bit.
No problem. Alright, can you raise your arms? Oh, it's looking serious out here, you guys.
We'll clip the bottom buckle, then we'll adjust the sides. Birds on the marsh. Okay? So
That's towards the end.
that's toward the end, yeah.
So right and goes all the way straight, right?
All field lights. Yeah, so that would be your clip.
Perfect.
Dean, you're going to take these people onto their 3 kayaks. The lady needs instruction. Robert, you'll get these folks in and pull that boat up back in the corner underneath by the paddles.
Hey, in the water. Gotta get us for the vlog. Come on. Yeah, we out here. These aren't our original kayaks, but don't look at my toes. These are lit. Yo, take the flick, bro. Facts. Come on, this is mad nice, bro.
You look clean. You look clean with that. I gotta take it out the plastic bag, though.
Just be careful. Just be careful.
I'm not falling.
Come on, son. I don't want y'all to see my toes, but it is what it is. Yes, sir. All 3 of us lined up.
I fuck with this, yo.
Came out smooth?
Yeah, I did the same thing. I literally just did the same thing.
Let me see the views. The white is you. I'm not gonna lie.
Facts.
I like this one too,
Alright, let's go.
You know, I hope the Knicks get him. I'ma bring him Timbs. Tell him lace his boots. I'ma get a king some gems. Like, look, you the those who learn to make boats stay afloat. Oh, it's gonna be a fun number. It's gonna be a
That place right there. I think I'm Gucci right here.
Okay. Yeah, like that. Something goes right. Yo, I gotta get the flick of you like that. That's lit. Just like that, just like that. Oh! Oh yeah, that's valid. Alright, you guys, let's go. Let's do this. Hopefully I can see. Let's catch up to the squad. Let's do it. Left, right, Left. Right. Jet skis over here. We about to be the first ones. This GoPro is like ideal, bro. Look at the other team. There's 3 of them in there? There's definitely 3 of them in there. Nah, you good?
Really, we was about 20 minutes out, and by the time he finished ordering, I showed up 5 minutes later.
Yo.
Why it took you so long?
Yo, and then we kept pausing so much and going on that the lady was like, hello? Hello? I was like, yo, if I was the lady, I'd be so I'm sold on because I saw the drinks.
Oh, look at that.
Let's go.
Look at that.
I don't care about that. I saw the drinks and that.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
But wait, we just wait. There's more.
You're so aggy.
I like that. So we out. Look. Before.
Did you see the summer tan lines?
Look.
Yo, you're getting me tight. Yo, that's mad funny. I'm not the only one. Italian ice, all messed up. Hurry up. What y'all getting off the menu? A large? I look man suck. Let me take these off. Alright, so we getting ice cream. I think I'm gonna just do it. I just want regular sprinkles. Like, I ain't trying to get nothing fancy. Yeah, baby. We outside with this once I get this AC, yeah. I said once this AC hit. It might be hot. Yeah. Alright. Too hot. It's
gonna burn us.
Of course, that's gotta complain.
First of all.
Nah, you are gonna burn. We just came from outside too. About to get an extra tan. Cajun. Yeah, that's
You gotta give it some. You gotta give the menu some taste, some flavor,
some heat to it.
Exactly.
Regular lemonade.
Y'all look suck.
Why you taking photos? Yo, this dude is so off guard with everything. Yo, please stop with. Oh yeah, he about to go in.
I'm very ready though.
Oh, crap. Straight fingers.
She's supposed to be a
Thank
photographer.
you. I already put it on. Y'all just
It's
talking.
recorded? Okay.
Y'all just keep on talking.
It's my first time cracking crab legs. Okay, yeah.
Ooh, that was a good one you got right there.
I didn't even get all of it out.
Ooh, check you out. Getting better pieces than me. I'm over here cracking like cracking.
Alright, now that I messed up, what do I do? Because now I can't get to this.
Break that. You can take a fork and put your fork in it and break it.
Yeah, you could do that. Or just like make a little dent and you could like stab it.
I probably look like a 3-year-old.
You do.
Yeah, he brand new. He don't know what he's doing. Okay. Yeah, see? That's
Look at that.
All of that.
Ooh.
professional, man.
Ooh, how'd that taste? That was real good. I don't know if you want a corn.
Want some corn? Want some corn?
There's stuff in here, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
We gonna get to that. I don't know what I'm doing on that. This thing mad saucy.
Ooh. No. Please do it down or towards you. Because I'm gonna get all of that sauce on me. Jesus. Yeah.
They gotta get some too. I broke into it.
The viewers gotta get it.
I'm struggling with it, I'm not gonna lie.
Use your fork. That's what I do.
Oh man, I gotta get straight to it. Okay.
There you go.
You said use a fork. Come on.
I mean, you were struggling like a 3-year-old, so just trying to help you out.
Don't put him on blast for the viewer.
He put himself on blast just the way he's doing it.
They're gonna be like, yeah, he don't know what he's doing. How I get to this?
Figure it out.
You need that.
No, don't tell him. Let him figure it out.
You need that tool that Jeffrey was talking about. Okay? And I know this is a juicy part too. Okay?
Good.
It's slightly spicy too.
Yeah. I hit jackpot in here.
My lobster thing got me.
Lost some.
Wow.
Oh man.
You really cracked that very well.
I just broke into it.
He dug his finger into it. Look at this one.
Yeah, get him too.
I got that. He just bit into it like an animal. I still didn't get it.
She got the clean hands, that's why she got the camera.
I already ate.
Look at that meat.
You guys are annoying.
Look, let's get some minutes.
It's the crab shake, real good.
Money.
It's the crab.
I know y'all crab professionals, y'all be like,
we're good.
Thank you. I know y'all crab professionals be like, y'all be pause on the pause, sucking like everything, but I ain't professional.
Yeah, like that white part, I sucked that clean.
This?
That it was all attached to it, yeah.
I know there's some stuff in there.
Fucking crazy. Wait, you caught him slipping before? Hold up.
You probably look savage.
Yo, you know what this is?
You probably look real savage. I was supposed to be having a clean
Everything else. Oh shit, yeah, fuck that.
Yo, I was supposed to have.
I'm eating this whole fucking skin, boy. Inside out. I'm eating this whole shit, bro.
I was supposed to be so clean, like not even doing all this. So your fault. Okay, yeah, like that.
Yep.
Nah, you Gucci. You look dirty at all.
What's up, you guys? Hope you are enjoying the vlog, man. We ate good. My stomach is full. Right now, we're actually heading back right now. Look at this pimple, man. The sun is breaking on my face. But if you're enjoying this vlog, make sure you smash that like button down below and hit the subscribe button, man. I think we're actually gonna be heading to the beach right now just to chill out, vibe out, catch a sunset. So if you wanna enjoy that, man, stay tuned. Let's get it, let's go.